So what we want to bring it all back to, guys, is this first dollar concept, because we know sitting at home or at the office right now, you're probably thinking that sounds all great, you know, $100,000 a month, $10,000 a month, but I have no baseline at the moment. I just want to know that I can make $1 online on Amazon while I'm asleep. Because what we've seen is that people do it, not hear it, do it. If they actually get a product like I showed you at the start of the web class, they source one of these, they send it off and they make even $2. All of a sudden now they understand the process and they believe it works based on their own experience. So here at Reliable, we go to great lengths to celebrate when people achieve their first dollar in sales. And we do it in our private Facebook group. So what we do here is I want to just show you the power of earning that $1 and what happens, because that $1 is a small hinge that swings very big doors of belief in people's lives. So this is a student, Stephanie from Adelaide, Australia. Now I've underlined the date here, January 22nd, 2017. This is inside our private Facebook group for all of our students around the world. It says here, my very first product went live and here's my first sales, $79. Now look at this. This is the same person, Stephanie, December 18, and look at this, $25,980 for the month. That's US dollars for the month, not 12 months later, 11 months later. This is another one. This is a student called Angela from the Sunshine Coast of Australia. Now, you might be wondering why we have so many Australian students. We started our business in Australia. Our studios are here in Burleigh Heads on the Gold Coast. But now we have students all over the world. In fact, our most successful student isn't even in Australia. They're in the UK doing about $20 million a year in sales. But anyway, back to Angela. Angela is a mum from the Sunshine Coast, is doing this around her young family. And this is her post on the first day she went live, which was July 22nd. Went live means got their first product listed for sale. She did 2 sales on the first day, $85 in revenue. Now you might be going, oh, that's not that big a deal, right? So think about this. What I say, once you have the belief, it swings a big door. Look at this. This is 18 months later. The same lady still working from home around her young family, $300,003 US in a single month. If you have a close look there, you can see she did 12,243 sales for that month. Imagine selling 12,000 units online with no employees, working from home on a sunny coast around your kids. That's what's possible in this business. But again, you've got to start, as you can see here, with your first sale or your first 2 sales, and then it grows from there. If you enjoyed that video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when we have new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.